All right, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take apart this dust collection. All right, so I'm using the Dust Right fittings connected to a 4-inch ductwork. Okay, these actually slide over perfectly, and I've used them along the length of this really just to hold it to the wall. Okay, I'm going to redo all of this. I'm not going to have the dust collector over here. I'm going to move it to the back in the corner. So we need to take down all of this and get going. All right, on to the next one. So really quick, let me go ahead and show you how these fittings just go on. So they have these grooves and they're meant for their Dust Right accessories from Rockler. I found that a 4-inch conduit fits perfectly around these, okay? And then also on this side, you'll see a few little indents here. I take this 4-inch conduit and I just put it right in there. All right, this is gonna be the last section that I remove, okay? So we're making room for something else. And then we're gonna redo the entire back of the garage. Let me go ahead and quickly show you what these Dust Right brackets are actually intended for. So here I have a Dust Right, a Rockler Dust Right Y splitter. Now these brackets are intended to go over the grooves in this Y splitter and all of their attachments, in fact. And then this would simply connect to the wall and you can angle it and set it up however you like and it will stay in that position, okay? We're still gonna leverage these accessories, but we're gonna build it so that it goes up and over the wall. All right, there we go. All right, so phase 1 is complete. We've cleaned out all of the dust collection here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the concrete ledge wall, sweep up some of the dust, and then we'll come back for the second step.